Hello! We are two sisters living on Bundjalung Country on the east coast of Australia. And these are our two goats, Magnolia and Moth. We have a dream to build a self-sustainable future on our family's organic fruit farm. And learn to build, farm, garden, and live off the land. One of the things that we've taken on in our time learning to be women in the country is to do things for no good reason at all, but the joy that they bring us. For me, this was building a treehouse above the water, in an ode to my childhood spent paddling on these waters, building rafts and tree houses, and adventuring up and down the creek, climbing trees and running wildly. In the process, I learned the importance of childlike wonder and creativity, and how to use power tools. Today I am fixing and rebuilding my treehouse. Last summer, I decided that I wanted to learn some building skills. I had barely any experience, but I really wanted to learn. Our dad was a treehouse building master, and as a kid I would always help him out by nailing down the boards or holding things in place, but I barely knew how to use power tools before. So I wanted to continue our dad's childlike treehouse building innocence and learn some new skills. So, one summer day, I cut down some bamboo from up on the hill and hauled it across the farm. Of course, with so many trips to my mum and uncle asking for their expertise. After many bamboo trips, some on the hottest days and some in the middle of a summer flood, I made myself a treehouse. Over the winter, it didn't get much use, and because it is attached to 3 trees, in the wind it creaks and moves, loosening the ropes, and even on one stormy night, the wind was so intense that it snapped the screws that attached it. I plan to fix this problem by maybe welding up some brackets for the bearers to sit in so that as each treetop blows in a different direction, the treehouse would move only slightly. But that's a whole new skill to learn. Over the winter, the ropes tying it together loosened, and the pieces of bamboo fell out, making it dangerous. As we head into summer, I want to fix it up again, making it safer and adding some new things. Today I'm going to collect all the fallen pieces and reattach them. Then, in the future, I will tighten them into place with wire so that they stop falling. But first, I'll go collect the goats. They love jumping and climbing in the treehouse, and then going off to forage in the rainforest.
Be careful. Go be careful on there. Oh baby, you've got to be careful. Yes.
Yay, everything's in place. Tomorrow I'll come back and tie it down. Magnolia and Moth are excited for a new day of treehouse chaos.
You don't want to come up. That's okay.
I've tied half of it down, and now I'm going to tighten the other side and retie all the new pieces. It takes a long time, but it's such a special spot to sit and work. Yay, all done! Now I'm going to make a pole that I could hang a light or even a mosquito net for if I sleep here. I have a leftover piece of bamboo. I don't want it to split when I screw into it, so I'm going to screw it super close to the node for strength. I'm attaching to an old hinge that I found in the shed so that it can fold down and not be so permanent. I cut another piece on an angle to be an arm to hold it in place. Finished! Okay, now to go find those naughty goats. They were in the veggie garden, oops. And go for a nice picnic in the treehouse.
Hi.
It's always less relaxing when you have two goats jumping on all your stuff, licking your apple, and jumping on and off the treehouse.
A breath of fresh air in a muggy room. I'm stepping away from the silver spoon. The taste on my lips of a newfound gloom. I'm slipping away from all that I knew. Alas, dreamy youth, no more holy harmony from before his smile in a brutal score. How I wish I had kissed my rolling hills once more. How I wish I had kissed my rolling hills. 'Cause when nobody loves you but everybody wants to, how can you tap out if you ain't tapped in? 'Cause the kids are getting older and the world is so much colder if the torches burn out. What is it that I win? A quiet home filled with empty rooms. Is it the past or the future that looms? And a bittersweet town proving nothing new. Thought that we would survive, but they shot right through. A mask, a duty to face the horror woeful reveries. Far too long ignored. At last, the wolves unchained their paws. I wish I had kissed my rolling hills once more. How I wish I had kissed my rolling hills. 'Cause when nobody loves you, everybody tries to. How can you tap out if you ain't tapped in? 'Cause the kids have gotten older and the world is so much colder if the torches burn out. What is it that I win? Alas, dreamy youth, no more holy harmony from before his smashed in a brutal score. How I wish I had kissed my rolling hills once more. How I wish I had kissed my rolling hills once more. How I wish I had kissed my rolling hills once more. My rolling hills. My rolling hills. My